Someone told you to look for a P&C insurance agent. What's that mean? Hey, it's Ryan from Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and business owners secure financial stability. Today's question is about P&C insurance. What is that? What does that mean, P&C? You may have heard of L&H or EB. There's all sorts of acronyms in the insurance world. P&C stands for property and casualty. Now, sometimes this gets mixed up with personal and commercial, but standard definition or standard use of P&C is property and casualty insurance. Now, there's also life and health, which is a separate license. You've got to get a license to sell property and casualty insurance, not just sell, but also work on policies and give any advice on those coverages. You have to be licensed. The life and health, same deal. It's a separate license. You have to register with the state and get the license for that in order to give advice on things like that. There's other kinds, E and EB, employee benefits. That's really under the life and health category, or under that license anyway. It's really its own world. It's separate and so complicated that it's separate from life, I would say. Anyways, the P&C side, that is what most of us deal with on a day-to-day basis. Now, everyone should have some kind of life insurance in place for themselves, for their family, their children, their parents, whatever the case is. Talk to someone about life insurance. We can help you with that. But property and casualty is what's most common. That's what you see marketed on TV or online ads the most, is the property that you own or that others own, and the casualty risks. So let's take workers' compensation, for example. That is a casualty type coverage. Someone could be injured, or someone could die. There's a possibility that someone will die, and it's casualty type insurance, which will pay for that type of loss. So, of course, property covers this huge spectrum. Your house, your office building that you work at, even a vehicle is property. And so you may be liable to pay for the damages. And so that's kind of a tricky line between property and casualty. But property coverage that is given within many types of insurance policies is what that's referring to, P&C. So again, P&C insurance, it's just a section of the insurance industry that you must be licensed in order to give advice or even to handle claims. That's a separate license. Property and casualty is specific to certain types of losses. And of course, you've got life and health, and like I say, employee benefits kind of underneath that. If you're looking to get involved in the insurance industry, P&C is really the great introduction, I would say, into that. I'm not going to say it's easy to get licensed, but there are many license preparation courses that you can take, which can get you right into the world. And within a day or two, you've got a great grasp on the industry and some of those standard coverages. Thanks for watching this video. Appreciate your support. Hit like, subscribe, maybe leave us a comment, or tell someone you know about our YouTube channel. And we will continue to provide content that will educate. It'll help people secure financial stability, which is our mission. I'm Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance. Have a great day.